What's good, y'all? Devontae here. I'm back with another video. Sorry, I've been gone for about 3 weeks. I just been busy with school. I'm done with school for right now. And I'm doing a little mukbang, which is how I say in Korea. I apologize if the lighting is bad. Like, it's hard to see me. Over here, got an order gas store. Got me some KFC. Not KFC. Applebee's. Some quesadilla burger. And happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. Or any type of mother figures, either maybe your grandma that's raising your grandchild as a mother, or aunties, or stepmoms, adopted moms, or any type of mom figures. And I finally saw Endgame like this Wednesday. That movie was dope. In my personal opinion, I think Infinity War was a better movie. Like, that's just my opinion. Endgame is still a good movie, but I feel like that movie should have been cut down a little bit. I think in my opinion it should be cut down a bit. Especially at the beginning. It's gonna be spoilers. It's been like almost 2 weeks. Well, yeah, 2 weeks. I should be serious, but I love the big fight at the end. I was still dead how they let Thor let himself go. I mean but I guess they made it realistic how Thor went through depression. Sorry, I got interrupted. Yeah, I was saying like how they let Thor go, cause Thor he went through depression. I like how they make it realistic. Like with some people, when they go through depression, and people they eat, drink alcohol to hope they could get rid of the problem. With Thor, it doesn't work. You can see Thor is over here just drinking beer or eating and playing Fortnite. But I did not expect the Black Widow to die though. Yeah, so I know they went back in time. And the time travel thing, to me, was saying like it doesn't work how Back in the Future works. If you change something in the past, it's gonna change your future. Cause when I learned, cause I'm a Dragon Ball Z fan. If you Dragon Ball Z fans out there, if y'all future Trunks fans, you don't know how Trunks' timeline works. Yeah, I guess he thought that if he gave Goku the medicine to prevent heart disease, it's gonna change the outcome of his future, which that's not true. It basically changed their future. Like basically, you create another reality. Trunks' future is gonna stay the same, regardless what happens of the past. It has a lot of emotions though. He totally realized that his dad wasn't as bad as far as he thought he was. I gotta get some more things. Yeah. Thor came to see his mom because I think in Dark World, Thor's mom died. So, man, the line is so terrible, man. You cannot see me. What about him? I think Captain America and he managed to win back, live life, and managed to get with Peggy. You know, you trying to get some action from her. Yeah. One thing I noticed, like, in the movie, after the snap, it been 5 years. So they been 2023. I wonder, like, since half the universe gone and brought back, that means they're 5 years behind. Well, physically. Like, Peter Parker in the movie, I don't know how old he's in Infinity War. I'm assuming he's at least 16 or 17, because in Civil War, he got to be like 15. So, so physically, really mentally, he's supposed to be 17 or 6. Yeah, 17, but in Endgame, he's still, no, he should be at least 21, 22. And after that 5 year gap, but he's still 17 since he died at that age. But I don't know. I lost track what I said. I really like the fight scene. I like how Cap he could pick up Milner, if I said it right. What else want to talk about? Oh yeah, college. To be honest, man, I did kind of. I am struggling a little bit in college, like grades wise. Like first semester, I failed a business class. It was my intro was super boring. I did pass my psychology class, my math 074. And I feel like dropping out. I really kind of feel like dropping out and taking YouTube seriously. And my parents are not really too fond of the idea. Like, they're kind of old school. Like, college is the only way out, which it is to agree. It depends what you're doing. So I was just thinking about I might finish up my degree. And one thing I noticed that sometimes you don't know what will happen on YouTube. Next minute, YouTube might be gone. Or YouTube doesn't pay people no more. And the old saying is, do not set your... What's that old saying go? Do not set your eggs in one place. All your eggs in one place. I know that a lot of rich people, sorry, you might have, but like truly, truly rich people. A lot of them be having like multiple sources of income. Like they don't rely on one source of income. And that's how a lot of these YouTubers are. And I know with this YouTuber Chris Sales, I know that since that case, he have a Parker McKenna. The judge ordered him. He can't be on social media. He can be on social media. And I guess Chris, let's see, as a judge, can he go back on it? I know people say that that's wrong of him. It's wrong. You can tell him how he can use social media. That's how you make his money. I'm saying to myself, Chris, he could just go out and get a regular job. I know he might not get paid the same much, but sometimes in this situation, you gotta go out and get a job. And I guess that could be happening to you YouTubers, because sometimes you might fall off of YouTube. That happens to people. Like, you could fall off of running a big corporated business and stuff, but you gotta have backup plans. So, for right now, I might as well do YouTube part-time and finish up my college. But I'm going to upload more videos. I'm going to start doing more reactions tomorrow. Yeah, but if you like the video, make sure you rate, comment, subscribe.